Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Escape to your private and hidden gem of a luxurious resort located in the upscale neighborhood of Smokey Vale, St. Andrew. You will discover an exquisite, well-appointed family home with additional room for guests. Recently reduced in price, this 8,000 square feet luxurious home sits on 0.63 acres and features 7 generously spaced air-conditioned bedrooms with walk-in closets, 7.5 spa-like ensuite bathrooms, featuring marble surfaces throughout, open concept kitchen with granite countertops and cabinet space galore, living and dining rooms, TV room, huge double car garage, and a driveway that can fit multiple cars, suitable for parties and other family events, helpers' quarters, laundry room, and so much more. Porcelain and Brazilian cherrywood flooring are featured throughout this home, along with high tray ceilings with recessed lighting. Convenience is utmost as this home comes with 32,000 gallons of underground storage and an additional 2,400 gallons for water. If relaxation is needed, in your foyer, a water feature greets you. Then retreat to an elevated entertainment paradise consisting of outdoor pool, hot tub, bar, and kitchen, surrounded by breathtaking mountain views. This property is not smoky, it is sizzling hot. Call today to arrange a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The new asking price for this house is US 1,998,000, Jamaican 315.2 million, Canadian 2.8 million, Euro 1.8 million, or 1.5 million pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.